Hey there, this is Erica from Highland Hickory Designs, and I'm back again today to show you another beautiful stitch tutorial. I absolutely love this one. I know I say that a lot about all the stitch tutorials I make, but this stitch is so pretty and so easy. It's only a 1-row repeat, and the only stitches you need to know are double crochets, chains, and puff stitches. That's the front and this is the back, and they look exactly the same on both sides, so that makes it great for double-sided projects. You could make blankets with this, baby blankets, sweaters, even trivets for your home, trivets or hot pads or whatever you like to call them. But if you do decide to make a trivet out of this, make sure you use cotton yarn. I used acrylic once and it melted. So to turn this stitch into anything you want it to be, you just need a multiple of 3 plus 2. If you'd like to see the written instructions, they'll be in the description box below, along with any timestamps or instructions on how to speed up or slow down my videos in case I go too fast or too slow for you. In today's tutorial, we are using Caron Simply Soft in Victorian Rose. It's a size 4 medium weight yarn. And then our hook for today is an F3.75mm crochet hook. And I believe that's it. Let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, so like I said before, you need a multiple of 3 plus 2 for your starting chain. And we're going to go with a multiple of 3 for 15 plus 2 for 17. Alright, for row 1, you're going to work a puff stitch in the 5th chain from the hook. And a puff stitch is you yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull back through, and we'll do that 2 more times. Yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, and draw through all the loops on your hook. That is a puff stitch, and we'll do that again. From here, you'll skip 2 chains and work a double crochet in the next chain, chain 1, and puff stitch in the same chain. So the double crochet, chain 1, puff stitch all go in the same chain. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull back through. So you do that 3 times. Yarn over and pull through maybe all the loops on your hook. And you just repeat that across. Skip 2 stitches, skip 2 chains, double crochet, chain 1, puff stitch in the next chain. Skip 2 chains, double crochet, chain 1, puff stitch, and when you get to the end, skip 2 chains and just work a double crochet in the last chain. That is row 1. Row 2, chain 4, turn your work. Now you're going to work a puff stitch in this very first stitch right here. you're going to skip the chain 1 space and work a double crochet in this next stitch. If it's helpful at all the double crochets will go in double crochet stitches the entire way up. And you'll just repeat the pattern of double crochet, chain 1, puff stitch, all in the same stitch. Skip the chain 1 space. In this double crochet, you'll start over again. Double crochet, chain 1, puff stitch. One more time. Double crochet, chain 1, puff stitch. And when you get to the end of the row, you're going to double crochet in the 3rd chain. And that is it for row 2. And you just repeat row 2 the entire time until you're at your desired length. And when you're finished, you get this beautiful, slightly thick, lightly textured fabric that's perfect for just about any kind of project. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I really appreciate you being here, especially if you stayed the whole way to the end. Please comment down below if you would like to share what kind of project you would make with this stitch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.